In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your phone number to your Facebook profile. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So if you want to add your phone number to your Facebook profile, this is a super simple thing to do. So the first thing you will need to do is head over to your Facebook app. Once you have opened up Facebook, you'll be obviously on your newsfeed, which is this page here. And from here, all you need to simply do is go to the top right hand corner to the three lines. Once you click on the three lines from here, what you need to do is scroll down until you see settings and privacy. Go ahead, click on the settings and privacy drop down menu, and then you will need to select the settings tab. Once you click on settings, you can go ahead now and select personal information. Once you select that, as you can see there under general, there is an option for contact info, and if you click on this, you will go over to this page, and if you want to add a phone number, you can simply click on add phone number. And then all you need to do now is enter in your phone number into this box. And then once you have entered in your phone number, you can click continue. You will then get a verification text message to enter in on Facebook. So that's how you can go ahead and add a phone number to your Facebook profile.